First, open your Start menu. Open your settings. Search for language. Open language settings. Press Add language. Search for English. Locate English United States. Mine is grayed out because it's already installed. Let's pretend this is English United States. Just click on English United States. Press Next. Leave everything as it is. Press Install. Wait for the language package to be installed. Go to Windows Display Language. Select English United States from the drop-down menu. Press Yes. Sign out now. Log back into your account. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, click on Options. Click on Game Settings. Select Additional Command Line Arguments. Type -D3D11. Press Done. Now launch your game. If that didn't work, first open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates. First, Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed. Restart after it finishes.